Okay, here we go with sink repair. We have a faucet and the water does not come out of the faucet very well. So you can see that it's just not coming out with good water pressure. So the theory here is that we need to clean the aerator. So plumber here is going to take our tool. Let's see what that tool looks like.
This is called, if you want it done, do it yourself.
Okay, what is this
and
tool
considering
called?
I've never done it myself, he finds this humorous.
Okay, so what is that
so he's
tool?
going to make fun of me.
You don't know what the tool is.
This is a wrench.
Not a wrench.
Let's see. It says...
oh, no fair.
I don't know. It doesn't even say. This is pliers.
Good girl, pliers.
Crop forged pliers.
Yeah, that just means the metal.
I mean, I've had pliers
Whatever.
before, but they didn't look like
Okay,
this.
we'll just say these are pliers. Thank you. Alright, so what are you doing?
I'm going to unscrew.
Counterclockwise or clockwise?
I'm going to screw clockwise.
What is the rule for tight and loose?
Lucy, you have this saying, I don't know what it is.
Righty?
Righty tighty, loosey, lefty loosey.
Yes, righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Lefty loosey. So
Okay.
I'm going to screw counterclockwise.
Alright, let's see you do it. Is it working?
Yeah. I think.
By the way,
Yeah.
those pliers are called channel lock
Channel lock pliers?
pliers. There's a channel that you can adjust.
And so there's a way that it locks.
Yeah, it locks into the size. The channel determines what size the opening is.
This,
So you need, there you go, make it a little smaller. What are we learning here?
we are learning that I don't know what I'm doing and I don't know how to work these things. I just want a regular pair of pliers.
So one suggestion.
It's not doing it!
So one suggestion.
What?
Make it tight before you start trying to turn
But
it.
it won't.
Okay, we have a slight change of plans.
Just for the record, those pliers did not work.
Okay, those pliers had a slight defect. We have new pliers. Now, let's see what these pliers are going to do.
Much better.
Much better.
Much better.
So is counterclockwise working?
No, it's not.
Maybe we should try clockwise.
You lied. Did you? Or did I interpret wrong?
I don't know, is it coming loose? Hey, it's coming loose.
Okay.
Hold up, let me see what you got there. Is it dirty?
It looks dirty to me.
Hang on, I gotta focus. Focus, you silly camera. There we go.
Does it look dirty to you?
Definitely looks dirty to me. I hope the camera can see it.
Okay.
Can you hold it up to the light a little better?
Is
Just higher. Yeah.
that good?
So describe what you see.
I see sand and
sand and grit,
Yeah.
dirt.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe tap it in the bottom of the sink so we can see better. Yeah, lots of residue.
So what happens if I turn the sink on?
Hang on, let me get a good shot of this dirt. So we have a well at this property, and just for the record, so
We recently chlorinated it.
yeah. So let's wash.
If I turn the sink on,
Sure, it'll still work.
we have water.
We have lots of water pressure. My wife is happy with that water pressure. Okay, we rinse it off, we clean it, and make sure we don't throw the washer down the sink. So what did we learn about the lefty loosey righty tighty?
Lefty loosey is clockwise.
For this sink that's up, the faucet that's upside down, it's works differently.
Okay, so yeah, okay, whatever.
Okay, what are you doing now? You put it back?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the real test. After you put it back, will it be satisfactory to your liking? She's going to go for the full tight. Make sure it's really tight. But does it have to be super tight? I don't know. I think that's plenty, dear.
Really?
Yeah. There's a saying about
I don't think so.
finger tight and
Sounds like it's running in this down here to me.
Well,
okay, so what we have done is tightened this fully. If you leave it loose, you're going to have a back flow. It's going to cause a pressure problem underneath your sink. And in our case, it wasn't tight enough, so we've tightened it fully. So now when we turn it on, it's fine, and there's no backlash, if you will, back pressure problem underneath the sink. The real question is that water pressure satisfactory?
it's much better. Yes, much better.
Okay.
Now let's do your side because your side is terrible.